Hi, welcome to my channel, Mundillo Lace. This is Ana Marie, and I'm really happy you helped me reach the 1,000 subscribers. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do the plumilla. It's one of my favorite patterns. Once you master the basic, you can do one with a mosca or this one, which is still a simple pattern. In those rectangles, you could do basic stitch, full stitch, or either cloth stitch. But it gives you opportunity to make it wider. Over here, in this square, you could do a spider or a 4-leaf flower. This is another example of the plumilla with other stitches. And this corner pattern, which also has the plumilla. This pattern, I'm gonna do it in two colors, red and white. It will help you see the movement of the bobbins, plus you will catch any mistake and correct it on time. I'm gonna start horizontal, and I'm not gonna do any fancy start because if I'm gonna use this lace, it will be enclosed and I fold it to put it in the fabric. Therefore, it doesn't matter if it's a fancy or not fancy start, it always gets hidden. As a review, I placed 2 pairs of bobbins in each dot. For the edge, I imagine a dot over here and I will place 2 pairs of bobbin too. Let's start. We place a pin in this first dot and 2 pairs of bobbins of colors, and we close the pin, cross, twist, cross. Pin, two pairs, cross, twist, cross. I place a pin, creating an imaginary dot. And over here, I wanna explain something by placing a color bobbin and then cross, twist, cross, making sure that the color bobbin is in the second position of that imaginary dot. I'm gonna be able to show you that this red bobbin, this red pair, stays always in the edge. If I have it outside, then it will go in and out of the pattern. So in the second position in my imaginary dot. Right now, I like to start by making those claritos before I do my plumilla. I have to do it that way. The pattern will not let me start the plumilla, because I have to have the bobbins that are gonna fit into the plumillas. Clarito, pin, 1, 2, edge, 1, and close pin. Clarito, pin, clarito, pin, twist, twist, cross, and close pin. I'm going to include a link in the description of this video where I show you how to do the orilla. Now we need to do this line of claritos. Now we're ready for the plumilla, but I want to show you in the paper that with the red bobbins, we're gonna go from this dot down to this dot, then up, down. You're gonna follow the line that is drawn in the pattern, then all the way in, all the way out, and we're gonna continue that path that I have drawn you in the pattern. Let's do it. The plumilla can be done in different stitches. I'm gonna show you doing it with full stitch. Twist cross with the first one, then we continue twist cross, and the pattern tells you that over here we're gonna put a pin. So we do a twist cross, and we place a pin. We close with a cross, and continue up like the path tell you. Twist cross, twist cross, and at the end, twist cross, pin, and we close the pin with a twist cross because it's the edge and I like it to be strong. Twist cross, pin, cross, twist cross, twist cross, pin, twist cross. Twist cross, pin, and now we're gonna go all the way in, taking all the pairs that are left. And over here, the pattern tells you that we place a pin. We're gonna follow the line and we're gonna go to here and we place a pin. Always following the line. We go to the right, twist cross, and we go to this dot. As you could see, the reds is my guide and is the one that goes in and out following the path. Over here in this last point, since it's the last one, I like to close only with a twist cross because it doesn't need to be a full stitch. So we're done with our plumilla, we proceed to do the claritos. I want to point out that you could put the pin either here or after you do the edge. The plumilla can be in different stitches. That makes your projects unique from one to another and keeps you entertained because you're not doing the same thing all the time. So, for example, I'm gonna do the second plumilla with a cloth stitch. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, pin, and we go back. Over here, since it's the edge, I want to make the same. We twist the edge. Cross, twist, cross. Pin. And we close the pin with a full stitch. Cross, twist, cross. Pin. Twist the edge, not the other one. Full stitch to close the pin. And we finish that variation. Important, when you enter into the plumilla, you didn't twist. So when you're gonna do those claritos, you are not gonna twist the one that comes from the plumilla. So we don't twist this one, but we twist the other one. It's very important to be consistent in your projects. Not the one that comes from the plumilla, but the other one we twist. This is our final sample. The first variation done with full stitch, the second was cloth stitch. with the detail of colored thread in the edge. However, there are more variations that you can practice. It's going to depend on the twist on the leader, on the twist on the passive bobbins. Have fun practicing all those variations. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Share with your friends. Enjoy this beautiful art of Mundillo.